how to set gallery detail enhancer to maximum minimum off on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so click on this menu icon. So after click on this menu icon, click on settings. Now in gallery settings, scroll down and click on detail enhancer. So after click on detail enhancer, you will see minimum maximum off is here. So if you want to set gallery detail enhancer maximum, so click on maximum. So if you want to set gallery enhancer detail minimum, so click on minimum. So if you want to set gallery detail enhancer off, so click on off. So after selecting minimum maximum off from here, so after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set gallery detail enhancer of minimum maximum off on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.